Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you an overview on everything. Once you log into your Workstatus account, you see on the side nav bar, you see that there is everything coming up. Once you click on everything, it will give you the list of all of the tasks or the tasks that are available inside all of the projects of your organization. The by default listing will be giving you by the filters that you have chosen according to the sorting option here. From here we have end date. You can even choose alphabetically, create date, start date or the task ID. Just click on apply and it is going to give you the listing view as per the sorting done. To add a task quick, you can click on here. You can simply add a task name. You can select the project under which you want to add this task to, give the assignee name, and then you can even select the start date and have it saved. This is the quick view to add a task to a specific project from everything. You can click on load more to have the data available in a more overview. Inside the everything section, you can even mark the task and the project as favorite. Just click on the three dots across the task and just click on add to favorite. This specific task is marked as favorite and under which its project is lying, it is also marked as favorite. The favorite option is going to give you under the heading everything on the side navigation bar and it is going to show you like this. Also, if you want to have this task removed from your favorite list, click on the three dots and click on remove from favorite. Once you are done with that, the task get removed. You can even click on view task to view this. You can copy the link and even open it in a specific web browser. Then you can move the task to the specific or the other task list. You can even create a subtask from here. You can edit and even mark complete the task along with the delete task option. Similarly, you can have the milestone, the task list, the message board also as favorite inside the section here. So this was all about everything. Thank you.